Hi everyone, Melissa here. Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. And we also enter our cards into hashtag Saturday Morning Makes, and all of the links will be down below. So this week's theme was to use buttons. Next week's theme is 3x3 cards. So I'm going to jump right in. However, I could not find my star dies. I think they came from Coco Rosa, but I am not even definite. But I can show you the other ones, other products that I use. One being the Spellbinders Christmas Blooms. And then I also used the Richard Gray embossing folder, which is called Lumberjack. And I want to say, besides that star, oops, nope, that's not it. I have one more to show you. I also used the Glimmer hot foil machine, and I use, what did I use? Merry Christmas from here. And yeah, I've been giving that machine a workout. So anyways, here goes my card. I did add some iridescent glitter on there, and I thought that just really made it so pretty. I actually originally done this in a tag, and then decided to make it into a card, and so glad I did. I think it really adds a lot of detail to it with that embossing folder back there. And then as you can tell, I do have the little pine cones back there as well. All right, and then the inside is finished. It's just basic though. And that is what I have for you this week. Don't forget, if you have buttons and want to join in on our challenge for this week, go ahead and enter the challenge. Use our hashtag, and while you're at it, use Jill Norwood's hashtag. Don't forget that next week's theme is 3x3 cards. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.